This is just a friendly reminder to tell you, if you haven't decorated for Christmas yet, you're not behind. I know it feels like you're behind. I actually got an email today for somebody wanting to inquire about Christmas decorating. And she was like, I know I'm late. I know I'm behind. I know, you're probably all booked up. And I wanted to say, sure, things are busy. Well, actually, I did say, but like, you're not behind. Guys, it's not even December yet. Let that sink in. How great is that? It is not even December. There's plenty of time. I know it feels like everybody has decorated, and maybe everybody has. I think with like how Black Friday has changed over the past probably 5 to 10 years, I've really seen the trends of decorating change too, because it used to be before a large majority of people didn't decorate until after Thanksgiving. But I'm seeing people, at least booking with me, they're booking earlier and earlier. People start inquiring in September and October. And that's just telling me that the landscape is shifting to earlier decorating. But also what that means is those people are decorating earlier, but that doesn't mean that you have to. The perfect time for you to decorate your house for Christmas is exactly when you can. It's not before. It is not before you can. It is right when it makes sense for you. And what goes into that? All the things you have going on. Getting your Christmas decor out of the attic. When do you have time to do that? Do you need to shop for anything else? Like, do you need more bows? Or is your ribbon limpy? Or do you need zip ties? I swear by zip ties. There's a lot of things that go into Christmas decorating. It's okay if you're not there yet. So I just really want to give you grace right now. Rest easy. The timing is perfect. You're right where you should be. You're right where you should be. So let's spend this Christmas on what matters most. And don't worry if you haven't decorated yet.